Hey everyone, welcome to Web Solutions. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to unhide your active status on Bigo Live. So let's get started. First, open your Bigo Live application. Make sure you are logging to your Bigo Live account. Now tap on the Me option at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the gear icon. Select Privacy option. To unhide your active status on Bigo Live, disable Hide Your Online Status option. And this is how you can unhide your active status on Bigo Live. Thanks for watching Web Solutions. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.